What's up, guys? We're back at it at the end of the day. We are working on the Lexus. Gonna change out some front suspension bits, try to get my alignment good. Got some Godspeed arms here, tension arms. Gonna just slap those in, do a bolt check on everything. I've had a lot of vibration in the front. Yesterday I found some loose ball joint bolts, so it's gonna go through and double check all the work I did from maybe a previous video. It's been a while since I filmed anything, really. I moved about almost 2 months ago. So this is the Alabama spot. Got the 240 way back yonder. And yeah, this is just after Hurricane Sally, so we have no power. My dumbass moved to the south and I got to experience a hurricane. And this is the aftermath. Oh yeah. My God.
Tree right there.
There's other branches right there. This is the wrong fucking car to be coming down shit like this. But yeah, we'll just get to work. You can see I got the old tension arm out. Basically there's 3 bolts here, 2 14s and 17 right there. Pulled them out on both sides. They have enough slack in this little plate. Pulled it right out. I adjusted the length on this new one to basically be the same, and then I'm gonna have the alignment shop, you know, adjust the caster as needed. But now it's basically time to repeat the process in reverse. Throw this guy up there, boom. Bolt it up. Alrighty, I got one side done. GoPro died kind of in the midst, but it's fine. So, well, I would say done. I gotta leave this side loose to get the other side done, but arm is in. These 2 bolts are kind of a bitch. This side all done, bolt check all done. Yeah, should be good. We almost have to have the alignment shop do the adjustments. So tighten up the other side, slap some wheels on, put her back on the ground. That's gonna do it for this video. Got her all buttoned up, tools getting put away. Appreciate you guys tuning in. Hope it helped you guys if you have to do tension arms yourself. Super quick, super easy. Took me maybe an hour, 2 hours, I don't know, not even. Like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more.